Late start to the morning, high altitude, we're like 8,000 feet, you said?
I think so, yeah.
Still cloudy and wet. And then Valle de la Luna, if it's open. We were driving to Valle de la Luna. We took the road from Valle to town last night because it was closed. So we went to take the road back, and because of all the rain, we have crazy flooding. Our road is literally right there. And then there's people horseback riding over there. How crazy is that? That's so crazy. We're off to, where are we off to?
I don't know, but there's some alpine lakes like way up in the mountains. It's about an hour drive.
It's all about the journey.
A little less than an hour.
If you go into the desert in the summer and you get a couple days of rain, don't plan to go to San Pedro. The forecasts are pretty accurate and the roads wash out pretty easily. We went to go to Laguna Miscanti, and that's closed. And then we tried to ask, the caballeros were blocking the road, saying that the road was washed out. And then going up north to the craters, was it?
Some of the geyser fields, I think they said were closed.
So the geysers are going to be closed because the roads up there are also washed out. The Valley of the Moons, that might clear out first, maybe. And then we're going to explore. Just saw some alpacas. Lujan de Couler is closed. This road is closed. Since we have time to kill, we have the drone up there recording a hyperlapse, which is going to be super dope. And the annoying noise you hear is the hyperlapse going. Or lunch at the best bakery in San Pedro. No food pics. Salmon was dope. The prosciutto was pretty good. The chocolate croissant was a little light on chocolate. The coffees were awesome. And this is attempt number 3 at Valle de la Luna. So, we'll see what happens. Since everything's closed, we're walking on the Pukará de Quitor to get to the top. Did it. We did it. Made it to the top of the little one. It's like a quarter mile. Can't go any further. The sign says. This is the view. This is a good spot to show where we have to go, where we've gone, the view we have so far. Made it to the top. It's a cool monument. Check out the view. Almost done with our trail walk. It's now drizzling or starting to drizzle again. We're on our way back down. Probably gonna go into town, get some water, maybe some wine. Tomorrow's our last day. Heading into the city, town again. It's not raining. Hopefully it doesn't rain for dinner. We're here when it's not raining, but you can see there's remnants of it. Everything's open. Reservations at 8 for Adobe, which should be awesome. It's rated well. Not kidding, it's raining. You can probably hear it. And the ceiling is not tightly covered. This is so ridiculous. This is so crazy. Now you can see it. You can see the rain. In the driest desert in the world, it's raining. How does that make sense? Not kidding about the rain. Look at it. San Pedro just went black. We're not gonna see anything because there's no light. We're at Adobe. The lights went out for the second time, but therefore we have to eat this way. I'm using my watch. Paul's using his phone. I mean, the food is phenomenal, but it is because of the rain that we have to deal with this. Do not come during the rainy season. Do enjoy the food and find other things to do. And don't plan to go anywhere because they're gonna shut down all the roads.